In this video you can know details about cotton fiber. Cotton fiber details outline. 1. Introduction. 2. Species and varieties of cotton. 3. Structure of cotton fiber. 4. Cotton fiber from field to mill. 5. Cotton grading and its system. 6. Properties. 7. End uses. Cotton, referred to as the king of fibers, is most important textile fiber in the world. Cotton is a vegetable fiber which surrounds the seeds of the cotton plant. Cotton has been cultivated for more than 5,000 years. Cotton plant belongs to the family Gossypium. The cotton fiber is made up of countless cellulose molecules. Cotton is removed mechanically from the seed balls by the cotton ginning. The ginned cotton is then pressed into bales and sent to the factories to be spun into yarns. We can see the pictures of cotton boll, cotton after ginning, cotton bales. Species of cotton. There are 4 commercially grown species of cotton. Gossypium hirsutum upland cotton, native to Central America, Mexico. Gossypium barbadans, known as extra long staple cotton, native to tropical South America. Gossypium arboreum, native to India and Pakistan. Gossypium herbaceum cotton, native to Southern Africa. Structure of cotton fiber. Structure of cotton fiber. Longitudinal structure of cotton fiber. 1. Base root. 2. Body. 3. Tip. Cross sections of fibers showing fully developed primary whorls, mature fibers, stem. Cross section of fibers showing partially developed primary whorls, immature fibers, stem. Cross-sectional structure of cotton fiber. 1. Cuticle. 2. Primary whorl. 3. Winding layer. 4. Secondary whorl. 5. Lumen whorl. 6. Lumen. Varieties, types of cotton. Commercial cotton may be classified into following categories with reference to staple length. 1. Very short staple cotton, less than and equal 21 mm. 2. Short staple cotton, between 22 to 25 mm. 3. Medium staple, between 26 to 28 mm. 4. Ordinary long staple, between 29 to 34 mm. 5. Extra long staple, equal and greater than 34 mm. Varieties, types of Pak cotton. Main H93. Cotton of Punjab region. Nayyab 78. Cotton of Sindh region. Organic cotton. BCI cotton. Organic cotton, 100% organic. It is generally understood as cotton grown from non-genetically modified plants, that is, to be grown without the use of any synthetic agricultural chemicals such as fertilizers or pesticides. Ecological footprint. Cotton covers 2.5% the world's cultivated land yet uses 16% of the world's insecticides, more than any other single major crop. Chemicals used in the processing of cotton pollute the air and surface waters. Residual chemicals may irritate consumers' skin. Decreased biodiversity and shifting equilibrium of ecosystems due to the use of pesticides. Advantages: protecting surface and groundwater quality, eliminating contaminants in surface runoff. Reduced risk in insect and disease control by replacing insecticide with the manipulation of ecosystems. Conservation of biodiversity. Eliminate the use of toxic chemicals used in cotton. BCI cotton. The Better Cotton Initiative exists to make global cotton production better for the people who produce it, better for the environment it grows in, heavy checkmark, better for the sector's future. Steps from seed boll to fiber growth. Seedling 1 week. True leaves 2 to 4 weeks. Square bud 5 to 7 weeks. Blossom 8 to 10 weeks. Boll 10 weeks. Boll opens 18 to 20 weeks. Harvest 25 weeks. Cotton from field to mill. Cultivation. Harvesting or picking. Ginning. Baling. Blending and mixing. Picking or harvesting process. Ginning process. After picking, the cotton fibers have to be separated from the seeds by the process of ginning. Generally, 2 types of ginning methods: 1. Saw ginning. 2. Roller ginning. Saw ginning process. Roller ginning process. Byproducts of cotton. The raw cotton passes through several cleaning processes before it is baled. As a result, the grower obtains valuable byproducts that amount approximately to 1/6 of the entire income derived from the cotton plant. Cotton linters, short hair-like fibers used in making regenerated fibers. Hulls, outside portion of seed, rich in nitrogen, used as fertilizer. Inner seeds, seed inside the hull gives cottonseed oil, used in cooking and making soap. Baling of cotton fiber. Cotton grading and its system. It is also called number grading system. Grading is done on the basis of following factors: 1. Moisture percent age. 2. Staple length. 3. U.A% uniformity ratio. 4. Floating fibers. 5. Micronair fineness. 6. Trash percent. 7. Invisible percent. Examples of grading system. Factor. Number. Below 9% moisture. 0. Above 1.089 length. 25. Above 48% UR. 15. Above 19.99% FF. 0. Above 4.99 mic 0. Below 6% trash. 10. Below 1.50% invisible. 10. Properties of cotton fiber. 1. Fiber surface and color, lustrous creamy white color. 2. Tensile strength, tenacity 3 to 5 gm denier. Strength 40,000, 20,000 pounds per square inch. 3. Elongation, not easily stretch. Elongation at break is equal to 5 to 10%. 4. Elastic properties, rigid, less flexibility. At 2% extension, 74% recovery. At 5% extension, 45% recovery. Properties of cotton fiber. 1. Fiber surface and color, lustrous creamy white color. 2. Tensile strength, tenacity 3 to 5 gm denier. Strength 40,000, 20,000 pounds per square inch. 3. Elongation, not easily stretch. Elongation at break is equal to 5 to 10%. 4. Elastic properties, rigid, less flexibility. At 2% extension, 74% recovery. At 5% extension, 45% recovery. 11. Effect of alkalis, excellent resistance. 12. Effect of organic solvents, dispersed by copper complexes and concentrated 70% sulfuric acid. 13. Chemical properties, cellulose is equal to 94%. Remaining composition, protein is equal to 1 plus 1.5%. Pectin is equal to 1%. Mineral substances is equal to 1%. Wax is equal to 0.5%. Small amount of organic acids, sugars, pigments is equal to 2%. End uses of cotton: yarn, fabric, black right arrow garments, household items, bed sheets, towels, carpets and curtains, hats.